Hello everyone, welcome you all in e-learning. Today we are going to see about standard 7th subject Sanskrit workbook fill up chapter number 3 by the name Koruka, and the translation is who is healthy. Let we see all the exercise one by one. The very first exercise is for each of the given questions choose the correct option, that is its correct answer, and write the letters corresponding to the answer in the box provided. First, Pakshi kutra gacchati. Pakshi kutra gacchati, and the answer is B. Akashe. Answer is B. Akashe. Second, Sah Pakshi punah punah kim vadati. Sah Pakshi punah punah kim vadati, and the answer is A. Koruka. Koruka. Third one, Pakshi dwaram dwaram kim pruchhati. Pakshi dwaram dwaram kim pruchhati, and the answer is C. Sah ekam prashnam puchhati. Sah ekam prashnam pruchhati. Fourth one is Janah kim kurvanti. Janah kim kurvanti, and the answer is D. Janah upahasam kurvanti. Janah upahasam kurvanti. Fifth, Yada kodapi uttaram na dadati. Yada kodapi uttaram na dadati tada pakshi kim karoti, and the answer is A. Sah nirashah bhavati. Sah nirashah bhavati. Sixth, Pakshi vanam gatva kutra upavishati. Pakshi vanam gatva kutra upavishati, and the answer is D. Vrukshasya adhah. Vrukshasya adhah. 7 number, Vrukshasya adhah kah asti. Vrukshasya adhah kah asti, and the answer is D. Vaidyarshih Vagbhattah. D. Vaidyarshih Vagbhattah. 8 number, what is the meaning of a word Hitabhuka? What is the meaning of the word Hitabhuka? And answer is C. One who takes beneficial meal. One who takes beneficial meal. 9 number, find the word like Vaidyarshi from the words given below and write. So answer is D. Devarshih. Devarshih. Now 10 number, which rishi is there under a tree? Which rishi is there under a tree? And the answer is C. Vagbhatta. C. Vagbhatta. 11 number, write Sanskrit word for the word sky. Write Sanskrit word for the word sky, and the answer is C. Meghah. C. Meghah. 12 number, what is the meaning of the word aruka? What is the meaning of the word aruka? And the answer is C. Healthy. Answer is C. Healthy. 13 number, Sah blank vadati koruka iti. Sah blank vadati koruka iti. So the answer is B. Punah punah. B. Punah punah. 14 number, Vrukshasya blank Vaidyarshi Vagbhattah asti. Vrukshasya adhah Vaidyarshi Vagbhattah asti. B. Samipe. B. Samipe. 15 number, blank Pakshi Rushi Samipam agacchati. Blank Pakshi Rushi Samipam agacchati, and the answer is B. Santushtah. Answer is B. Santush. Now, exercise number 2. Put right against the true statement and wrong against the false statement. First is पक्षी वदति यो हीतभूकः अस्ति सः अरुकः भवति. यो हीतभूकः अस्ति सः अरुकः भवति. And the answer is wrong. Second one, पक्षी निराश भवति. पक्षी निराशः भवति. Answer is right. Third one, यह हितकारी भोजनं करोति. यह हितकारी भोजनं न करोति. Answer is wrong. Fourth one, स एव निरोगः भवति इति. सः एव निरोगः भवति इति. Answer is right. Fifth one, the satisfied bird comes to the rishi. The satisfied bird comes to the rishi. And the answer is right. Next, third number question. Find out the true meaning of the given Sanskrit words from the given options and write. Find out the true meaning of the given Sanskrit words from the given options and write. Koruka, in which two options are given, who comes, and second one, who is healthy. So the correct answer is who is healthy. Second one, Vaidya. So two options, Vaidya Rishi and about Vaidya. So the correct answer is Vaidya Rishi. Third one, makes Shrunoti. Third one, Shrunoti. In that two options are given, makes hear or to hear. So the correct answer is to hear. Fourth one, Hitbhuka. Hitbhuka, in which two options are given, one who takes beneficial meal and second option is one who takes meal in a proper quantity. So the correct answer is one who takes beneficial meal. Fifth one, Rutbhuka. Rutbhuka. The two options are like this, one who takes meal according to a season, one who takes meal according to a season, and second, measurement of season. So the correct answer is one who takes meal according to the season. Sixth one, Anantaram. Anantaram, in which two options are given, front or then, and correct answer is then. 7 number, Swasthanam. Swasthanam. Two options are like this, in the institution and second, own place. So the correct answer is own place. Question number 4. Find out the true synonym of the given Sanskrit words from the given options and write. So we have to find out the true Sanskrit synonym of the given Sanskrit words from the given options and we have to write it down. So the very first one is Pakshi. So two options are given in which Khagah, Nabhah. So the correct answer is Khagah. Akasham. Second one is Akasham. Two options are given, Neerajah and Gaganah. So the correct answer is Gaganah. Third one, Vrukshah. Vrukshah. Two options are given, Varshah, Taruha. So the correct answer is Taruha. Fourth one, Aruka, in which two options are given like this, Nirogah, Aturah. So the correct answer is Nirogah. Question number 5. Find out the opposite words of the given Sanskrit words from the given options and write. Find out the opposite words of the given Sanskrit words from the given options and write. First one, Punah Punah, and for that correct opposite is Saneha Saneha. Second one, Atra. So the opposite of Atra is Tatra. Third, Adhah. So the correct opposite for the word Adhah is upari. Fourth one is prashnam. So the opposite of prashnam is uttaram. Fifth one nirogah, and the opposite of nirogah is rugna. Sixth one bhojanam, and the opposite for the word bhojanam is nindra. Seventh one anantaram, and the opposite for the word anantaram is purvam. Now question number 6, in which join the following words. First one is koruka. Second one is kodapi. Kah plus api means kodapi. Third one is vaidya plus rushi, vaidyarshi. Vaidya plus rishiha means vaidyarshih. And fourth one is ekam eva, and the answer is ekamevam. 7 number, answer of the following question in one sentence in Sanskrit. Answer each of the following question in one sentence in Sanskrit. First one is pakshi kim vadati. So pakshi vadati koruka iti. Second, pakshi vane kutra upavishati, and the answer is pakshi vane vrukshe upavishati. Third one is vrukshasya adah kah asti. So the answer is vrukshasya adah vaidyarshih vagbhattah asti. वृक्षस्य अधः वैद्यर्षिः वाग्भट्टः अस्ति. फोर्थ, ऋषिः किं वदति. आंसर इज ऋषिः वदति यः हीतभूक मीतभूक रूतभूक अस्ति सः अरूकः भवति इति. ऋषिः वदति यः हीतभूक मीतभूक रूतभूक अस्ति सः अरूक भवति इति. फिफ्थ, संतुष्टः पक्षी कुत्र आगच्छति. आंसर इज संतुष्टः पक्षी ऋषि समीपम आगच्छति. आगच्छति. 8 number, find the words from the lesson based on the action and write in the following blanks. So we have to find out the words from the lesson and write down in the given space. So example is given gacchati. So like that we are having the words like asti, vadati, bhavati, atati, पृच्छति, कुर्वन्ति, ददाति, उपविशति, शृणोति, करोति and आगच्छति. Now question number 9. Make the sentences and write follow the example. So we have to see the example, and from that we have to copy down the words with the help of word which is given in a bracket. Bhikshukah gruham gacchati. First answer is Bhikshukah gruham gacchati. Second answer is Shrugalah vanam pramati. Third one is Nrupah nagaram gacchati. Fourth one, Sadhuha tirtham viharati. Let me see exercise number 10, in which they are telling us that make the sentences as per the example. Pakshi vanam gacchati वृक्षे उपविशति च. This is the example. Now let me write down according to the example. The first question is छात्रः विद्यालयं गच्छति आसने उपविशति च. Second one, अधिकारी कार्यालयं गच्छति आसन्दे उपविशति च. Third one, भक्तः मन्दिरं गच्छति पूजास्थाने उपविशति च. Fourth one, सिंहः वनं गच्छति वृक्षतले उपविशति च. 11 number question, in which they are telling us that translate the following passages into English. First one, एकः पक्षी अस्ति सः आकाशे अत्र तत्र गच्छति. सः पुनः पुनः वदति कोरुक कोरुक. कः निरोगः भवति. So translation is like this. There is a bird. It goes here and there in the sky. It speaks again and again. Who is healthy? Who is without any disease? Second paragraph. वृक्षस्य अधः वैद्यर्षिः वाग्भट्टः अस्ति. पक्षी पुनः वदति कोरुक कोरुक इति. वाग्भट्टः शृणोति सः वदति. There is a Vaidya Rishi Vagbhat under the tree. The bird again speaks. Who is healthy? Who is healthy? Vagbhat hears it and it says. Third number paragraph, in which they are telling us that यह हितकारी भोजनं करोति, यह मीतं भोजनं करोति, यह ऋतु अनुसारं भोजनं करोति, सः एव निरोगः भवति इति. Translation is like this. The person who takes balanced meal, who takes meal in a proper quantity, and who takes meal according to the season remains. So here our lesson number 3 of standard 7th is over. Now you may note down all the exercise in your workbook.